Hey boys and girls, welcome to Lamblamb Science Experiment Day. Now, we're gonna do a lot of fun experiments, but we figured we could also use this video as an opportunity to teach you the right stuff about science experiments. And the first thing to know is that you should always wear the proper uniform. What can happen is that sometimes when you're experimenting with the potions, it'll get onto regular clothes. So that's why it's always good to wear uniforms specifically just for science experiments.
What's this bag doing here? Hey, Lamblamb.
Sal, I told you to wear the proper uniform. I'm not being an idiot. It's for your own safety.
Don't worry about any of that, Lamblamb. Nothing bad is going to happen. No evil monsters are going to be created and it's going to take over the world. That's not going to happen. Alright, anyway. So, I did remember to bring all the, what'd you call it? The biohazardous science stuff. Unbelievable.
So, that's very expensive stuff in there.
Please, you know where we got this, Lamblamb? Walmart. And that's where all the kids at home...
Okay, I'm going to stop this short right here. Does anyone else notice that cat?
Can do the same. See, look! Kid set. What'd I tell you? You got a little squeezer thing. A paintbrush, yeah. Because a paintbrush should be part of a biohazardous science set.
A paintbrush is very useful in the scientific world. Now, okay, I get it. There are some childish things in here, like a container and a paintbrush, but there is also... what's this again? Yes. Calcium chloride. 9 metals on the periodic table of elements.
The periodic what now?
Unbelievable. I knew I should have picked Frogbear for this instead. Alright, anyway, let's begin with the first experiment. So, let's see. Let me get the book here. There. So, today, we're going to be mixing colors.
Ooh, mixing colors. I love mixing colors. Listen, forget all of this stuff and forget this too. I know a much simpler way we might need to be. I know a much simpler way. Just mix colors.
I have a sudden feeling that I won't make it out alive today.
Alright, here's the water. Now I'll be right back.
Shut up!
Oh boy. What is that?
This lamp is a craft cart. This is the proper way to mix colors. Now, see, Lamblamb, when I was your age, we didn't have no fancy scientific experiment stuff. Not when I was young. Nope. You know what we had? We had paints. There's the green. Now, I'll pull out this case. We didn't have no fancy baking soda. We mixed colors. Lamblamb, when I was your age, that was science. Alright. So, you know what? We may need that paintbrush too.
Oh dear.
Alright, kids. I will show you how to mix colors. Let's see. So, primary colors like red, yellow, and blue can make secondary colors like orange, green, and even purple. With these 3 colors, I'll show you. So, in case you're not brainy brains like this one over here. I'll show you. You could do this at home if you have paint as well. All you need is some sort of color thingy, whatever. Anyway, cup. If you don't have a beaker, you can also use a cup because it'll work just as well as long as you can see the inside of what you're putting the water in. All right, so then fill it with water. After that, let's see. You're going to put your red in here. Yeah, that's it. So now we're going to stir the red, and now you're going to watch as the water becomes red. There you go. So, then what you're going to do, well, that was unexpected. Now you're going to take yellow. Oh my god, I have paints all the way from 2017. You're going to take your yellow. Okay, this doesn't seem to be working.
Can we please just go back to the normal science experiments?
No, Lamblamb, this is much more fun. There you go. Alright, you stir that, and then eventually you will get orange. It might be hard to see because of the way the camera is. The hue, or, the way the camera sees things is a little bit different from the way the human eyes see things. But there you go. Orange water. Alright. There you go. Now, I'll show you another fun trick. You take... Oh, come on. I was just spitting out yellow a second ago.
This is ridiculous.
Did it go in? There you go. So, anyway, you take your yellow, okay, and you stir, and you stir, and eventually the water will become yellow. Okay, so now what you do is you take blue. There you go. See, I got a lot of blue. Next time I go to Michael's, I'm going to buy more blue paint, yellow. And you're going to stir. Now notice how it doesn't just become blue, it becomes green. Okay, so there's a bit more blue on the bottom. How's it so? Well, I'll tell you so. Because I put more blue in than green. So the imbalance of colors, or the way the colors were put in there, will create... So there, with more blue, you're going to get the color that's more blue. It's not going to be an even mix. But it's a shade of green, so it's like, it's green now. Alright, now I'll show you one combination.
Sal, this is ridiculous.
Well, when I was young, we had to pretend our laboratories. We didn't have real underground ones. Alright, one more trick. So, I forgot to fill it with water. So, we used red and yellow to make orange. We used yellow and blue to make green. Now, we're going to use 2 more primary colors to make 1 more secondary color. Alright, so I'm going to pour in some red. You're going to pour in some blue, because red and blue are going to make purple. Ta-da! Now see, kids, that's science. It's amazing.
Alright, fine. Can you rinse out the science materials, please, at least?
No, they're good. You can still use them.
Sal, it's very important that you rinse out the scientific materials after each use. Otherwise, contaminated with
Contaminate, shamanimate. Alright, now. Let's see. What other fun stuff do we have here? We got a container, pebbles. Oh, I remembered. I have something else.
Oh, Sal, please don't.
Let's see. This big giant cabinet here. Aha! Oh boy.
Sal, that cabinet is full of expensive things. The green can?
Oh boy. I sure am thirsty after a long science experiment.
But long? That was 10 minutes at best. Do you know how an average science experiment takes? Scientists are still finding fossils, and they began the research more than 200 years ago.
Yeah, whatever.
Sal, whatever you do, don't shake the can.
Lamblamb, please. It's blasted soda. I could shake this thing all I want. Nothing's gonna happen.
Huh? You shook it.
Okay, so?
Sal, don't open the can. The lack of air inside the can will cause the soda or the soft water to become trapped, trapping energy inside the can. If you open that can, air will go into the can. The combination of energy and air will form, causing the can to explode. Hence the warning which says, "Do not shake."
Lamblamb, please, okay? You know, your colors and now the do not shake. Please, this is just formality stuff so they can pass the USDA. I'm sure nothing bad is gonna happen. Watch, look, shake, and now I open it. See? Nothing happened.
Warning, do not shake. Oh, great. Crap. We made a giant mess.
You made that mess, my friend. Now I know why the can says, "Do not shake." You know what? This science stuff is fun. We should do this more often.
No!
Lamb, it says, "Do not shake the can." So stop shaking the can.
Whatever, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It says, "Do not shake." What if we squeeze? Ooh, let's make a mess. Now, hopefully, kids, you took away something from this video.
What, Sal? Everything went wrong. Everything that could go wrong went wrong. What could we have possibly taken away from this video that would be helpful?
Life is unpredictable. I could take some of his coffee if you want.
No, he's got a point. I'm moving on to archaeology.